It knew I was here. I guess I didn't want anything.
I'm at 189.4 pounds.
There's no logical explanation for this. I guess my body's just holding on to fat.
Anyway, I have a bunch of chores to do today. But first, I'm going to bring you up to speed on my old house. Okay, it's been 24 hours and the poles are pretty solid. This pole I was able to slide over, but this pole, the roof's in the way. Slight problem. So, we're just going to have to cut it. Time to move on to power. Next, we'll cement the inside of the poles. Got to go to Home Depot to pick up some more cement. I'm on Haven Hurston Plumber. Check that out. It's a topiary puppy that goes over the sidewalk right here on this corner. How awesome is that? I wasn't prepared to shoot, so I had to makeshift prop this up so I could run through the puppy. There's the nose, there's the head, the tail's right there, and you walk under its legs. I hope it doesn't pee on you. Okay, so I'll let this sit for a couple of days, let the cement fully set up, and then we'll continue. Well, let's take a break from my old house, getting the Mustang smog tested. Obviously, I'm vacuuming the car. So today on California Pickers, I'm going to be picking a crazy arcade game collector, also known as myself. So this is the storage unit. It's not as full as it used to be because I've been getting stuff out of here, which I'm going to get more stuff out of here today. Yay! Well, let's hope it makes it home safely. Everything seems to be packed in okay. It looks like, I should make it home. I don't know. We'll see. I do have to stop at Costco. This is a $7,000 refrigerator. Who needs a $7,000 refrigerator?
It knew I was here. I guess I didn't want anything.
Oh no, the paperwork's already.
don't get how you're supposed to make it work.
Sometimes it reads your face.
Oh, is it
It's
that?
a sensor, yeah. It's the first sensor right there.
There it goes.
Not
For $7 grand, it should work much more accurately. Oh, it shuts by itself. That's weird. The drawers are motorized. For $7,400, it cools your food.
Not bad, it all arrived safely. Unfortunately, I don't have the time today to go through all of this stuff, clean it up, and show you guys what it is. So that's gonna have to wait for another vlog, because I need to get to editing this vlog. I have been editing this vlog, and I didn't walk the dogs today. I was gonna wait for Deanna to get home and do it, but she didn't really want to. And I forgot to do my pull-up, so I'm gonna do that now. I feel like I made it. I don't know, I feel like I'm doing it. I mean, so my chin just doesn't get there. Anyway. Oh, I finished the fence. Last time on my old house, you saw me install these posts. Today, I'm gonna put up the fence and the gate, but I'm gonna do it all in extreme close-up. Gate's finished. Gate's finished.